Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 838 named push dominoes. In this problem, there are n dominoes in a line and we place each domino vertically upright. In the beginning, we simultaneously push some of the dominoes either to the left side or to the right side. Now, after each second, each domino that is falling to the left pushes the adjacent domino to the left. Similarly, the dominoes falling to the right push their adjacent dominoes standing on the right. When a vertical domino has dominoes falling on it from both sides, it will still due to the balance of the force. Now, for the purpose of this question is, we will consider that a falling domino expends no additional force to a falling or already fallen domino. Now, you are given a string named dominoes representing the initial state where if the character is L, that means the corresponding domino has been pushed to the left. If the character is R, that means the corresponding domino pushed to the right. And if the character is period, that means the corresponding domino has not been pushed. Now, we have to return a string representing the final state. Suppose, let's consider this second example. Here, there are several dominoes. If we push the second domino to the left, that means this domino will push its left dominoes and they will fall in the left side. Now, if we push this fourth domino to the right and if we push this domino to the left, that means this middle domino will stand still and these two domino will fall into the right position and these two domino will fall into the left position. Now, if we push this domino to right and this domino to left, that means these two dominoes will push to the right position and these two domino will push to the left position. And now finally, these two periods mean these two stand still or the vertical dominoes. So this is the final output of this initial state of dominoes. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now let's consider this example, which is the example 2. So according to the problem, currently we are given some initial state of the dominoes. Either it is left position, vertical or right position and so on. So let's break down the problem. Now let's simulate it. Here we have to check two conditions. Either our current dominoes fall into the right positions or either our current dominoes fall into the left position. If the current dominoes fall into the right positions, that means it will push all of these right dominoes to the right side. Similarly, if a dominoes fall into the left position, it will push all of the dominoes presented in the left position into the left side. So another intuition is basically if any dominoes currently still stand or stand vertically, that means these vertical dominoes can be pushed either right side by the right force or either left side to the left force. And if our dominoes is falling into the plane, that means these dominoes will not push these dominoes further. That means one, it has fall down, we will not touch it. So this is the basic intuition. Now let's see how can we solve this problem by using these simple basic intuitions. Now, initially, we are given some of the state of the dominoes, right? Now, each of the dominoes can be either found left or each of the dominoes can be moved to the right. So this is the decision tree till now. Now, suppose for this left part, it can be possible that all of the dominoes in its left side does not have any right dominoes. Suppose in these conditions here, for this domino, it is falling into the left side and these dominoes are standing vertically. And here it does not have any other right dominoes till now. So this is one of the case. It can be possible that for the left dominoes, it does not have any other right dominoes before it. That means right is not presented here. Now, it can be possible that these dominoes can have one of the right into its left side. So right is presented here. Suppose it can be possible that suppose one domino is this, it is falling into the right side. Now, these are the vertical dominoes and these are the left-sided dominoes. So here, this domino fall into the right side and this domino fall into the left side. Now, what will be the condition after the falling? So here, this domino will push these dominoes and this domino will push these dominoes. So first two will move to the right side, last two will move to the left side, and the middle one will stand still. So if we found any of the left dominoes till now, there can be two possible scenarios. Either it has no right dominoes or it has one right dominoes. So this is the decision tree for the left side. Now let's try to understand the decision for the right side. Now suppose we have found one dominoes which is falling to the right side, which is this. Now it can be possible that these dominoes have some of the dominoes into the presented in the right side in its left part. Suppose the pattern is this. Suppose this domino is pushing to the right side and these are the standing dominoes and this dominoes is still pushing to the right side. So now if we found a dominoes into right position, suppose we have found this dominoes here, which is moving to the right positions. Now it can be possible that this dominoes has some of the previous already right-sided dominoes. So here in this case, it will become all of the dominoes will move to the right side. So this is one case. Now the algorithm is nearly over till now. We have to check one final thing. Suppose there can be possibilities that the dominoes is still, some of the dominoes is standing the vertically and one dominoes is moving to the right side. In those kind of cases, all of the dominoes will move to the right side. So we have to check finally one conditions here, which is this. And till now, this is the basic algorithm for this problem. And I hope you understood the algorithm and the intuition. Now let's move on to the code. If you watch the code carefully, I think you will understand this algorithm very well. Now, let's understand the algorithm carefully. We are given one function named push dominoes, which has a string parameter. Now, initially, currently, we have assumed that we do not have any of the right-sided dominoes till now. Now, we have to iterate each of the element of the given string, and we have to check two conditions. Either our dominoes can become left or can become right. Now, suppose our dominoes is becoming left, or currently our dominoes is pushing to the left direction. Now, it can be possible that till now we don't have any of the right dominoes, or we have one of the right dominoes. Suppose if we do not have one of the right dominoes till now, that means we have to make all of the left-sided dominoes push to the left side. And if we have one of the right-sided dominoes, that means we have to use 2 pointers here, where the right-sided dominoes will be moved to the right side and the left-sided dominoes will be moved to the left side. After that, we have to reset the value of the right dominoes. Now, it can be possible that currently our dominoes is falling to the right side. So here, we have to check whether we have any of the previous right dominoes or not. If we have any of the previous right dominoes, in those kind of cases, we have to make all of the dominoes in this range falling to the right direction and update the right pointer, which is I. Now again, we have to check if our right pointer is not reset till now, the final check it is. That means we have several elements into the left side that can be moved to the right direction. So here we will make it right. And finally, we will return the dominoes. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.